We need to obtain the derivative of y with respect to x whenever y is given by an infinite series, which is square root of sine x plus square root of sine x plus square root of sine x, and it goes all the way up to infinity. So let's begin with our infinite series. So we can represent our infinite series as y equals to square root of sine x. So here it's given that this is actually y. So here we can replace this entire expression with y, which gives us then y equals to square root of sine x plus y. Now we can square both sides to get y squared equals to sine x plus y. We'll transpose this y to the left hand side, which gives us y squared minus y equals to sine x. Now let's take the derivative on both sides with respect to x. So we have derivative with respect to x of y squared minus derivative of y with respect to x equals to derivative with respect to x of sine x. Right. Now derivative of y squared, that will be, if we use the power rule, we have 2 times y, but since we have y here instead of an x, so we'll need to use the chain rule and multiply it to derivative of y with respect to x minus derivative of y with respect to x equals to derivative of the sine function, that gives us the cosine function. So here we have cosine of x. Now we'll take 2y minus 1. This will get multiplied to derivative of y with respect to x. This will be equals to cosine of x. And finally, derivative of y with respect to x will be equals to cosine of x divided by 2y minus 1. So this is the derivative of the given infinite series.